back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this. I'm going to do the first impression video on this palette. It's the Last Do Makeup with Light Glam. If you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I did my eyebrows and I'm going to go and start doing my eye makeup. I'm going to be using the Last Do Makeup with Light Glam Shadow Me, which comes like this when you open it. Well, it's like this. You open it up, it has this like foaming board. It has her card, a little note from her and the colors of the shadows. So that's that. And the palette looks like this. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. Oh Lord, how do I take it off? I can totally see this box is cute. Okay, there we go. That's what the box looks like from the outside. As you can see, it has some gold writing with some light pink and some white like flowers. Really cute. The back is just the information. It looks like that exactly as the box. That's what it looks like, the colors of the palette. So I'm gonna do just a couple swatches. Let's do this blue one. What do you mean? Okay, I'm gonna swatch it. It feels very smooth. Oh my goodness. Okay, and let me swatch it right here. That's what do you mean? Okay, I'm gonna swatch this pink, like glittery pink. First, I'm gonna be starting and I'm gonna prime my eyelids. I'm gonna be using this. It's the Lorac Behind the Scenes eye primer. I believe the name's kind of erased. So I'm gonna grab some of it and put it on my eyelids. Okay, so the primer is on. Okay, and now, I'm gonna go with Kangaroo. It's this tanned color, and I'm gonna use that as a transition color. As you can see, very pigmented. A little goes a long way, so you definitely don't need a lot with this color. I'm gonna take this shade called Cake, and with the same brush, I'm using the Morphe R40. With the same brush, I'm gonna put it on the crease. So I'm just putting this on the crease. I'm itchy. As you can see, this is very pigmented. It blended out pretty nicely, very smooth. So far, I'm loving these two colors I've used. This burgundy red shade, it's like calling my name. So I'm going to be using this shade called Angel Baby. And I'm going to focus that on the outer corner of my eye. Can you see that? So I'm focusing this on the outer corner of the crease. And then I'm slowly gonna drag it inward. So this is what we're looking at so far. Okay, I'm gonna put more of that Angel Baby shade. And I'm gonna intensify more the crease area. Now I'm gonna go with George. It's this black shade. I'm only gonna put this in my outer corner. I'm just putting a little bit to put more depth into the outer corner. Black applied very well. I can totally notice it's very pigmented, so be careful with the black shade. Okay, so I'm going to cut my crease, not all the way, but just half of it. And I'm going to be using this. I'm gonna grab Angel Baby and I'm gonna put it like on top of that black and the concealer, because I don't want this to just be black. Go back and grab George, which was the black shade, and I'm just gonna put a little bit more on top of it. Okay, the reason I did that is because I don't want it just to be black. I wanted to have some like red depth into it, you know what I mean? Now that I have that, I'm gonna go with this gold shade called Christina. This. And I'm gonna apply it with my finger. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the finger. And now I'm gonna grab a brush. Luxie, this is a 211 concealer brush. So I'm gonna grab it and put it here. Let me spray it with some facial spray. This facial spray definitely worked, because look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and like kind of blend out the gold. With the black. And I know I said I didn't want the outer corner black, but you know what, it got its way into it, and what are we gonna do? Oh well. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Then I'm gonna apply eyeliner. I'm using this by Essence. It's a super precise eyeliner. I'm going to be using this Lashes by Lash, a Holic. I believe the style is Insta Glam. Okay, so I'm going to pop them on and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. I'm going to be using my ColourPop. I'm gonna do my face makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so my face makeup is done. All the products will be down below, so if you want to check it out, check down below. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm gonna spray some of my Badescu facial spray, and I'm gonna put this as my setting spray. While that dries up, I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna be using this by Lip Glam in the shade Numero Uno. I'm gonna grab cake. And I'm going to put it under my waterline. So now I'm going to take Angel Baby and I'm going to put it right on top of cake. So now I'm going to go back with my ColourPop cream liner and I'm going to put it on my waterline. Okay, now that I did my waterline, I'm going to go back and put some mascara. Okay, while I let my mascara dry a little bit, I'm going to go with Gimme Brow Gel from Benefit, and I'm gonna set my eyebrows. I hope you enjoyed. This is the final look. Please subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next one.